What is a smart implant? This is it. This is basically a stem. And if you look inside of the stem, it's got a series of things like an accelerometer, goniometer that will allow you to track motion and a lot of other things. To be clear, this is not a GPS. You have a total knee replacement here that has everything that a normal total knee has. The only difference is that instead of ending here, you put this stem extension into the bottom, and then when you implant this into the bone, that gets implanted and cemented in, and then the rest of the knee functions exactly like a normal knee. So it's not a different implant here, it's just an accessory stem that has all of those components. So what does it let you do? It lets you look at motion. So how much are you bending the knee on an average basis? And there are several other metrics, so walking speed, distance, a lot of cool data. We're still trying to figure out what to do with it, but I think not just for me, but for a lot of my patients who want this technology, they really enjoy having access to that.